Buttercup City! Look guys, the city over there.
Yeah! We can go into the down. I'm so tired of this.
Yeah, this is taking so long.
I'm dizzy. Wow! What is this?
Over here is our home. What the hell?
No, what is this? This is our home. And there's a garden. What is that?
I don't know.
I'm hanging.
Wait, what is this? What the hell? What is this?
I have a diamond sword. You have?
No. I have. Look, this is free for me. What is this? A pool? I don't know for this. This is not a pool. This is not a pool. Oh, maybe this is a restaurant, maybe?
No, this is a pool. Right. Wow.
So nice.
And there's a park. I don't know what I want to go to the park. Oh, no, it's not going to the park.
Wait,
Going to the park. Where are you?
I'm here, following you. Okay. This is, I don't know who this is. Where are you? Hello.
Thank you. I'm here to your side. I don't know. I'm somehow. Oh, there's a picture.
Where?
Wow.
What is this? Is it an elevator? This is an elevator.
We are eating rice pudding.
Wait. Kaya ni Manggod ka din sa support man to. Email choose.
I want to down now. Wow, I want to go anywhere. Where is the... Let's see, what is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Where is that? That's so big. I have over here. I want a slide down. Are you downing? Oh, wow. You're there. So,
I'm scared. Yan ang katawan. May kanana by forever niya.
for our home, I forgot it. The blue, you see a blue? Oh no, where am I? Where I can get out here? Where we can get out? Maybe we can roll here. Look, I'm free. Hey, where is our home? Over there. Get out on the hole here. I break it.
Sali man muna lang umbos ng talo ni Bubong ang dapat sinaning Wah, gina basi gina lang katigin sa pinagdulo ya sus si patang ko tingin sa kami budwa ka na din sa namin si Pinto. Lakin daw
Where are you?
Mana gina sa sakit ang
Where we can go?
And this is a car, I guess. Maybe guys, back to part 2 because we are eating. Bye. But first, we're going to go on home. I'm here on home. So easy. Yan, this is so not nice.